Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Now we will continue for subtopic 7.1 as we will discuss gravitational fields. So here I want you to keep in mind this information, which is if the force between two masses equal to G, which is a constant, mass 1, mass 2 over the radius square. Okay, so if the distance increased, if R increased, the force will decrease since they are inversely related to each other, sorry. And now let's solve it. For question 40, if we look at the question, two masses, mass 1 equal 5.4 kilogram, mass 2 equal 1.2 kilogram. We have the distance R, which is 0.25. Calculate the mutual force. So again, F equal G. This is a straightforward question. R squared, G, which is constant, which is 6.67 times 10 to the power negative 11, multiplied by 5.4 multiplied by 1.2 over 0.25. كل square, please do not forget the square. A lot of students forget it. So it will be 6.9 times 10 to the power negative 9 Newton, as it's a force. Question 41, a body mass. He gave us 7.4. He gave us the distance from the center of spherical asteroid. The force, he gave me the force, which is 5 times 10 to the power negative 7. For calculate mass 2. So again, F equal G, mass 1, mass 2 over R squared. He gave me F, which is 5 times 10 to the power negative 7 equal G multiplied by 7.4 multiplied by mass 2 over R, which is 4 times 10 to the power 4 squared. Please, in this question, do not try to do shift solve. Do not try to do shift solve. Rearrange it mathematically. And the answer will be 12 equal 1.62 times 10 to the power 11. How to arrange it mathematically? You can do it as M2 equal F times R squared over G times M1. Okay. Question 42. The gravitational force between two masses is F. What happens to the gravitational force if the distance is tripled? Yani R equal 3R. So again, F equal G M1 M2 over 3R squared. Yani G M1 M2 over 9R squared. So this thing, it's F, so it's F over 9. Okay. For question 43 and the rest of the questions, again, I want you to know these informations, such as if you want to calculate the gravitational acceleration for anything, it's G times M over R squared. Again, if you want to study the field line behavior, if it's closer, means that we have a stronger field, always points inward, the field always points inwards, more lines means stronger field. Okay. So for question 43, what factors influence the gravitational field strength, which is G? We have the mass, we have the radius, and that's it. The size does not affect, so the size no, the mass and the distance, so it's 2 and 3. Why do gravitation field lines get closer together closer to an object? Stronger gravitational fields means strength. So this is how we visualize gravity increasing. Okay, so the answer is to indicate a stronger gravitational force. Question 45. How would you sketch gravitational field lines around a large object on space? أول شيء حكينا ال gravitational field lines always points towards the center. Okay. Are radial, يعني straight inwards, and which is what? Draw lines pointing towards the center of the object, as we said here. Okay. And this is for this topic. Thank you.